Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to unlock PayPal account. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in PayPal, all you have to do is just choose the type you wanted to create. It could be personal, business, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're all set. And all of a sudden, right after creating your account here in PayPal, your obviously account was temporarily locked or restricted for a lot of reasons. If that happened, PayPal might have detected a suspicious activity such as multiple failed login attempts, unusual account access from different locations, or potential unauthorized transactions. Because PayPal is really strict. It needs to verify your identity or certain information associated with your account, and that could lead to restricted access until the verification process is completed. Now, this can happen if there are discrepancies in the information provided or the additional documentation is required. Now, if that happens to you, there's nothing that you can do here in the settings. Click as much as you want, but you can't find it here. Alright, so what will happen is you simply need to contact the PayPal support. Alright, because if your account is locked, they usually need some information about your account or recent payments, so you need to call them and have the following information available to confirm your own the account. Now you have three options. You can ask the community, go to a resolution center, but I suggest you call the PayPal support. Click on the button here, and from there, these are the dialing instructions. You can call PayPal customer service and enter this one-time passcode when prompted, but you need to be logged into some account before you can do that. Now, these are the times that the customer service are available. All right, you can also send a message here and the PayPal assistant for immediately or leave a message for an agent, because I've encountered that in the past. I was locked out of my account, and what I did was initially I talked to a PayPal assistant, and they were accommodating and helpful for me to resolve my issues on unlocking my PayPal account. But more needless to say, I suggest you call these numbers or the numbers that are available to your region. All right. And of course, the information is strictly confidential. All right. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.